Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys something very special. A group that I belong to. It's a Facebook group, Modified Passat CC group. And we're going to go over the unboxing of what I received, and I'm going to show you how to install it and where I'm going to install it. Also, I'm going to show you some footage of some cool things that this group has to offer that I've been looking forward to showing you for quite a while now. All right, let's go. Hey guys, today's video is going to be completely different. I wanted to talk about a group that I belong to called the Modified Passat /CC. It's a Facebook group for people that own Passats, CCs that want to do modifications or have done modifications to the cars. It's a great channel. David Mitchell is the admin. He runs the channel. He does a great job. What I've learned since joining this group is that anything that I need to know, if I want questions answered, I need to modify something, or even just basic maintenance things, I can go to the channel and I can ask, because he has people that are involved in the channel that are reps from other companies that can give you real advice, real knowledge. You also, there are discounts extended through the channel. It's a great group. Also, I call it a channel, but this Facebook group is actually the co-host of Eurofest in Maggie Valley in North Carolina in August every year. I'm going to put some clips of that event on here throughout the video at some point. But today I just wanted to really put a sticker on to pay homage to the channel, to the brand Passat CC, which is no longer being made. This brand is gone. So it's a great channel, has great, the integrity of the channel's in the right place. There is a small vetting process to get in. Basically, just be a good person, be positive, have modifications. It doesn't have to be a lot on your car, and David will review that, and more than likely you'll get approved. It's probably going to hit 2,500 members by tomorrow. I mean, it's right on the edge there. It's growing super, super fast. But I will say David Mitchell is extremely, extremely helpful and informative. If he doesn't know the answer, he'll get you to the guy that has the answer. So he has a great following, and this group is ran very, very well. So I'm glad to be a part of it. Got my Mod Squad stickers, and I'm ready to put them on the car. So I know that's kind of silly, but hey, I just wanted to pay respects to David and the channel and all of you guys out there. If you like what you see today, if you learned a little bit about the channel and what it's trying to do, please subscribe to me, and I'll bring more content. I put a lot of maintenance videos out there about the Passat, from lighting change-outs to I'm going to do oil changes, filters. I am going to get to some modifications as well. I've done some vinyl wrap stuff. So subscribe to my channel. You can see all my videos, and I'm a part of this Modified Passat CC group, and I'm happy to be part of it. It's a very positive attitude group, and it's just a lot of fun. It's just a lot of fun. There's no bashing in this group. We don't make fun of other people. I mean, small mods, big mods, it's all about mods and just being a group together. So I hope you like this video, and I'll send you some footage of last year's Eurofest as well. Thanks a lot, David. Thanks a lot, Modified Passat Group, CC/CC. We'll talk to you at the end of the video. Thank you. Today is the day. Last night, I got home, checked the mail, and boom, this was in the mail. This came from David Mitchell. He's the admin. He runs the Modified Passat and CC Facebook group. Has a huge following. I've been following it, and I love what I see so far. He's been very helpful. I'll go over that in a little while, but we're going to do an unboxing here, basically unpackaging of what I believe this to be are the Mod Squad stickers. So let's do it. Fairly nice package. Let's see if there's any private memos in here. Nope, just what it is. Oh, look at this. Dos. I've got two. They look nice. So obviously It's the split in the middle there, so pretty easy. That's it. I elected to get the one that says established in 2020. There's one that says the CC group on it, but I don't have a CC. I just have a regular ass Passat 2016. So we're gonna take this over to the car and I'm gonna do an installation demonstration for you and see if we can get these things on the right way. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's go. First things first, I'm gonna walk you over to the car, show you exactly where I'm gonna put this sticker. Now, keep in mind, the place that I'm putting it is representative of the fact that I have very few mods on my car, just enough to qualify for this Facebook group that I belong to that is huge, almost 2,500 subscribers. I talked to David Mitchell this morning on the phone and he gave me some insight on the site, on the group, and what he's trying to accomplish with the group. It's awesome. It's so much fun. But because I need to do more mods on my car for myself personally and display them on the Facebook group page, I'm gonna put my sticker right here. So when I open the door, it's just a reminder that I have to do more modifications to this car because it has so much damn potential. And I'm excited. Every time I look at the Facebook group page, I thumb through and I see all these great mods on these cars, some of them not so expensive. But I'm slowly getting to that, and I wanted to share with you today where I'm gonna put my sticker and why I'm putting it there. And that's why. It's just a reminder every time I open the door that I need to do more. So the tools you're gonna need today, and I know this is silly, people, but just the cloth, microfiber, whatever, and some rubbing alcohol. So we're just gonna rub that spot down, get it prepped for the sticker. All right. So just put a little rubbing alcohol on here. Get all the oils off of it. I'm sure you all know how to do this, but you'd be surprised what I see out there. So once it's dry, just come in, peel your sticker off, your backing off of the sticker. Now, let's line it up. I think that looks good. The eyes look straight. Let's see. And there we go. I think that's it. I think that's money. Get all the bubbles out. Oh yeah. It's on. And it's real. I'm a member. So now that's going to be a constant reminder every time I open the door to do some stuff to this thing. Little by little, it will happen. I'm glad to be part of it. Now that it's put on the car, again, I told you the reason I'm doing it. Every time I open the door, I see it. Bam, there it is, reminding me with those eyes every day that I need to do some modifications to the car. That's it. I hope it helped you guys, and I think it's a good spot. I'll probably put the other one in the engine bay, but I haven't decided yet. Okay, guys, it's all installed. It's just a reminder again for me to modify my car every time I open the door because there are some great looking mods on this Facebook group. Hey, if you guys want to join this group, just send a request on Facebook, Modified Passat /CC group. Also on Instagram, it's Modified Passat CC group, all one word. Check that out. And David Mitchell's the admin again. He will just put in a request and he will just ask you a few questions like, have you modified your car in any way or whatever? And are you a good person? But other than that, I'm going to take you now to Eurofest, some footage from last year's Eurofest in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. David Mitchell sent this video to me, so I'm going to break it up and just send you a few clips from it. I hope you guys join this group, and we look forward to seeing your mods. One more thing I almost forgot. For me, if you guys like the content that I've been delivering, I know today's kind of an off video on a different topic, but this group really supports my channel. And so if you could subscribe, just hit subscribe below. That would be great. It's free, and it tells me that you want me to bring more content. If you look at the videos that I've done prior to this one, it's the more serious content, the maintenance content, some of the modifications, and it's the beginnings of this channel. So it's very, very new. So you're in on the beginning of the journey. I hope you join it. Just subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get notifications when I make new videos, and give it a thumbs up if you like. And I always welcome comments. That just helps me get better at what I'm doing. So, all right, let's get to the videos. Okay, big disappointment, guys. I got copyrighted for attempting to put that video on YouTube on my channel. So just go to the Facebook page. You'll be able to download the Eurofest 2021 to see what's coming this year. So sorry about that, but you can't violate the rules. All right, guys, thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.